Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to use the Silk Elements Heat Protection Spray on my hair. In my last video, I did a hot oil treatment, and if you guys want to see how I did that, well, you just have to watch my last video. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Renee. Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe in order to see more videos like this one. So I'm using my Tervix flat iron to straighten my hair. I have been using the pencil iron and also the hot comb from this brand, and they've been working wonders for my hair. Now, I'm just going to show you guys what I do whenever I straighten my hair. When it comes onto my hair, I try my best to use as less heat as possible. So if I am going to blow dry my hair, I'll blow dry my hair today and then I'll straighten it tomorrow. So I will not straighten and blow dry my hair the same day unless I have to, unless it's an emergency. And that's why I love to do heatless curls on my hair so often. As a trained and certified hairstylist, when it comes onto a client, sometimes it's hard to do that because some clients will want to do this in a one go. But you can advise them and let them know, hey, if you plan to do this, I think that you probably should do this hairstyle afterwards. You know, let them know what's best for their hair. And if they choose like that's what they want to do in one go, then you need to tell them, this is what you need to do when you go home. These are the products that you think is best for their hair, stuff like that. Now, if you guys see how I am flat iron my hair, I am doing this in one go. At the roots, I touch the roots like 3-4 times. I won't lie to you because my hair is growing. My natural hair is coming, so doing one go through my natural hair isn't gonna work. So I'm not even running it through, I'm just tapping it. So I tap the roots, and then for the rest of my hair, I just bring my flat iron straight. I am not even using a comb to help me to straighten my hair. I mean, I'm not using a comb to trace or guide my flat iron. As you guys can see, the flat iron is going through my hair like butter. Sometimes when you're doing your hair by yourself, it's kind of hard for you to see, to part, to know exactly which hair you're catching. Because I could see watching the video after that I missed out a few hair strands. Yeah, but it was okay. And I kind of like repressed a few too, which is not going to kill my hair. I mean, the most you can actually go over your hair is twice. But if you can avoid that, then do so. But I do not like to see when people are running through their hair 3-4 times. You will burn your hair, you will damage your hair, so I advise you not to. If you see smoke coming from your flat iron, one, that's an indication to tell you that product is on the flat iron, and that's what causing the smoke. So what you can do is take a towel and wipe your flat iron while you're pressing your hair. I see a lot of flat irons out there though that looks like it's time to get a new one, or it's built up with product because they're not being clean, and that is not healthy for your hair. So a tip, wipe your flat iron off while you are straightening your hair. And I still encourage you guys, do treat your hair every week. There is such a big improvement when it comes on to treating your hair every single week. You'll see the beauty of your hair, and yeah. I hope you guys learned from this short little talk and continue to watch the video.